Welcome to Sollite, Integrative Medicine for healing the physical, the energetic, and the spiritual elements of our being. It is the soul that heals the form. In the realm of our soul, we are able to access other multi-layered, multi-dimensional worlds of reality. Example from the Kabbalah gives reference to these variant worlds: the visible, physical universe, the unseen worlds of spirit, the realm of divine creation, the infinite world of all possibilities. Sollite's purpose is to utilize the light of your own soul for healing and conscious awakening, bringing forth health, well-being, joy, and life mastery. In the 1950s, medical research identified an area located in our midbrain which creates the perception of separation, caused by our adaptation to being chronically overstimulated by stress. This area is the amygdala, located in the cranial fourth ventricle between the pituitary and pineal glands. Sollite's main mission is to heal the illusion of separation, offering 3 effective, specialized modalities in which this can occur. Vibrational medicine in the form of color, light, and sound therapy. Advanced craniosacral manipulation. The branch of traditional Chinese medicine known as medical Qigong. As a master energy healer, remote distant treatment sessions are available. 37 years as a professional, national board certified and state licensed, with a doctorate in spiritual and energy psychology. For more detailed information, log on to www.sollite.com.